Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the different types of tissues in the human body and what they do. Tissues are a group of similar cells that work together to perform specific tasks. It is divided into several types. Let's begin with the first type, epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues covers the body and line, organ and cavities. The cells are tightly packed together like tiles on a floor. It has no blood supply but it has nerves. Its main jobs are protection, absorption, secretion and as well as sensation. Examples of these epithelial tissues are skin surface, inner lining of the gut and also found in salivary glands. Next, the second type of the tissues is connective tissues. It is most widespread tissues in our body. Connective tissue connects, supports and protects other tissues. It has cells spreading a gel-like matrix with fibers. Its functions are support and binding, example tendons and ligaments, protection and insulation, example fat, and transport, example blood. Its type include bone, blood, cartilage, fat, and ligaments. Next, muscle tissue. These tissue help with movement of body parts. It is made of special contractile fibers. There are three types. First one is skeletal muscle. It is voluntary and attached to bones. Next one is cardiac muscle. It is involuntary, found in the heart. And the third one is smooth muscle. It is involuntary, found in internal organs like the stomach. It helps in posture, movement, blood flow and also digestion. Next, nervous tissue. It is made of neurons and glial cells. It sends electrical signals quickly across the body and it helps in sensing, processing information, controlling muscles and thinking and emotions. It is found in brain, spinal cord and nerves. It is crucial for sensory input, processing and motor output. And it is vital for coordination, reflections, cognitions and emotional responses. And the next one is embryonic origin of tissues. All tissues come from three germ layers formed in early development. Endoderm, which gives rise to linings of the internal organs, and the second one is mesoderm, forms muscle and connective tissues, and the third one is ectoderm, it forms nervous tissue and outer skin. The three primary germ layers formed during embryonic development differentiate to give rise to all the dive tissues of the human body. The next one is tissues membranes. The very first one is epithelial membrane, which contains mucus called as lines opening like mouth, and the second one is serous, which is lines closed cavities like lungs, and the third one is cutaneous, which is nothing but the skin. So next the second one is connective membrane, which contains synovial, its line joins and produces fluid. So these functions are protection, lubrication and as well as organ separation. Based on the layers, these epithelial tissues are split up into simple, which is only one layer for absorption, and the second one is scarified, which is consists of many layers for protection. Next, based on the shell shape, it is divided into three types: squamous, which is flat for diffusion, and cuboidal, which is cube-like for secretion, and the third one is columnar, which is tall for absorption. Next one is connective tissues types. There is two types. First one is proper connective tissues, which is more flexible and as well as strong, and the second one is specialized connective tissues, which are seen in cartilage, bone, blood and adipose. They help in support, transport, flexibility and energy storage. So at the last, tissues are like the building blocks of our body. Each type of tissue has its own job and together they keep us alive and active. Thank you for watching.